Welcome back to Artisanthropy. Christina here with another Malabrigo unboxing for you. First up, we have Malabrigo's Chunky Weight Single Ply Yarn Mecca in Azul Fresco. Just look at those beautiful blues. Next, we have Mecca in Archangel with beautiful gold, purple, and orange tones. Now we have Malabrigo's single ply worsted weight yarn in Purple Magic. It's called Worsted, the yarn base. Then we have worsted weight plied yarn, which is called Rios in Pearl 10, which is a dark gray with purple undertones in it. And finally, we have Rios in Sandbank, which is sort of beige and light brown tones. In the next video, I will be showing you some new Caracol and Rasta that we got in.